we were having a leak in our roof. We believed it was from a skylight. It had been ongoing for a while, and we definitely wanted to get that fixed before fall came and all of the rain here. So went online and looked up a lot of the major roofing companies and called quite a few to get bids and estimates. Guardian came. They were one of the ones I had contacted. Booking was very simple, very easy. I really appreciated that. I got multiple, kind of confirmations, which made it, reassuring that they were going to be there. From the whole experience, they were on time. Guardian was really professional. The agent that came to the house clearly knew what they were talking about and an expert in what I was looking for. What I thought was really amazing is that when they went up on the roof to look at the skylights, they also assessed the rest of my roof, and they actually filmed a video of what they saw. I had never experienced that before, where they actually took the time to record what they saw, knowing that I'm not going to be able to be up there with them. When they came down, they had that to be able to show me and, kind of connect what they saw with what they were recommending. So after the experience and just comparing it to the other roofing contractors that I had discussed, without question, I chose and trusted, Guardian Roofing to really take care of my needs. They were just the most on time, most professional, and I really appreciated there was no pressure. They advised, they recommended, but at no point did I feel I was being pushed into a certain product that didn't make sense for me. So with that, I went with Guardian, and without a doubt, it's been an amazing experience, and I will certainly recommend Guardian to my friends and family.